Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back with two more from our quick and easy card kit, and I will link everything below of where I purchased all this and anything I added extra. The only thing right now that I've added extra is a tape runner, a ball, or a roll, not a ball, but a roll of extra thick foam, adhesive foam that I got this on Amazon. I got this at either Hobby Lobby or Walmart. And also scissors, and sometimes I'm adding in some really pretty pink ribbon, and that I think I got this at Tuesday Morning, but they sell it at Michael's, they sell it everywhere. And then I also have been adding in two of these flat back half pearls, and then the rhinestones, and these both were less than $1 from Walmart. So I'm trying to keep it as cost effective, and you can even order these on Amazon. So whatever you have, and literally you can find ribbon at Walmart, you can find this at Walmart, and you can find this at Walmart, and all you have to do is order the kit. So just keep it simple. You can also get foam adhesive. You can also find that at Walmart as well. I was there and I saw it today. So, alright friends, let's get started. And then I also have my little sentiment that I'm going to pull out that came with the kit. So, I am going to start, whoops, I've already got part of it punched out. There we go. Oh my goodness gracious. So, I am going to start with this beautiful, I've got the card base and the envelope come with the kits. I mean, it is really a fantastic kit. So I'm going to start here, and I was saying earlier you could put this on the inside and write on this, but that's not always my thing. So I think I'm just enjoying decorating it. So I'm a white space planner, card maker, etc. So, and then look at this one. Isn't this charming? So I think I'm going with this one for this card. So let's get going. I have been using, you also get doilies with the cards, and I think I'm going to make this one without doilies. I know. Can you believe it? I am going to use this particular strip, and I think these are so pretty because it kind of has that eyelet look to it, and I think I am going to use that pretty little flower and this one, because I don't just decorate the actual card itself, I decorate the envelope, and I decorate inside, outside, all that kind of good stuff. So I really love, I think I'm going to go with this one, yeah. I couldn't see the roses very well there. Alright, now I do need something for the outside. And this one has daisies, so I'm going to go with the daisies for the outside. And what else can I do? I love the bees. Those are so cute too. So maybe I'll pop out a bee too. I'm not sure what I'm going to end up doing, but we are going to have fun playing, and that's the most important part. So, alright, I think I'm going to pull that particular leaf and this leaf, and maybe this leaf, and then the rest I'll save for the next card. So, pretty cute, huh? Alright, those are charming. So let's just kind of get started. So on these particular ones, they have the center that pops out, and you can save them. I save them. I love, these are perfect like on flowers, if you're making flowers, or just if you need to put like 2 or 3 little embellishments on a page. These are perfect. And so, and they're, you know, they're colored, why not save them, you know? I mean, it may be too much hassle for you, so I totally understand that as well. So you do what works for you. So I think I'm going to use this on the inside, and I think I'm going to start adhering things down on the outside. So I am going to make this card. I just did one that opened like that. I think I'm going to do another one like that because it was fun. I've been doing them where they were, you know, like a top folding card, but this one I think I'm going to go this way. And I have a much better refill on my tape runner, so I'm so much happier. This tape runner was not working on the other, so always double check which way your card is folded before you put your paper down. And these cards are not perfectly folded, so really make sure when you lay this down that, and I will come back later and if I can't get it right now, but I've just been kind of recreasing them. And I don't have my bone filter here, but I can use just the edge of my scissors and hope that recreased it some. It didn't do a great job, but it did do a little bit better. Alright, so now, let's see here. I'm going to put my little girl here, and I want her to pop up. So I don't want to lose any of that. Let me get my foam tape. And I love this extra thick foam tape because I can cut whatever I want. So that's pretty much all I'm going to use. And I probably won't even use all of that. But, just saying. just saying. So, and that's all I'm going to use on the front. And then I'll save, oh, I've got a whole bunch of pieces saved over here. So I'm pretty well set for the next few cards. So I'm going to go one here. And actually, I may add a little bit this one, because it does have kind of that squared off. And this is from a previous card that I had saved. What was left over, and I think that's exactly what I'm going to do. Doggone, aren't these cute? These are the fastest cards to make. If you have a child who's going to have a tea party, there is another one that's a whole tea party set. I mean, it is just charming. So, and we're getting ready to have, pardon me, a baby shower for my daughter and son-in-law, and I have been deliberating if I want to make it a tea. I've got to talk to my sister because she's also helping me with it. We're doing it together, and I don't know. You know, I've got all these darling little card kits that are pink, and we're having a granddaughter. So there is just so much there. Sorry, it took me forever to get that straight. Silly me. You're probably thinking, hey, come on. Okay, I'm not going to put the B here. I'm going to save that either for the inside or the front. And she does have some daisies. So I think I'm going to pop that up right there. I think those are too cute. Okay, here we go. And I love that. And I'm trying to decide. I think that's all I'm going to do on this one. Trying to decide which corner. I think I'm going to go with this one. I kind of keep leaning towards that one, and there you go. So, that is so cute. How quick was that? Now, for the inside, I think I'm going to put this down here. And I have found that this is really much longer than the actual card itself. So, I am just kind of playing with it to see which way. Oh, that one actually fits, so I think I'll go that way. I mean, these are just mass-produced, so you get what you get. You know what I mean? So, we're not complaining. We're happy. It's all good. So, I think I'm going to go with that. I'm going to punch out that little center. I think that's going to go down here. That's going to go up there. I'm going to put my sentiment in here. I think I'm going to do just for you. Yeah, I think that's exactly what I'm going to do. So, I'm going to put this in here. And actually, I'm going to pop this up. And I have said many times, if you do not like, because these are pre-stickied, if you don't like that staying sticky, say that fast, then you can easily come back and put embossing powder, cornstarch, anything like that. And it'll kind of take the sticky off of here. But I find it negligible, and it really doesn't cause me any problems, so I just let it go. And you got to try to get that straight, and I did not. So I will be trimming some of that off. Yep, I was talking and not paying attention. But how easy was that? 2 seconds. But anyway, so I don't find it to be a problem, but I know some people it would bother them. And you do what you got to do, okay? And I think I'm going to put something else on here. So I like this rose, so I might just go with it. Hold on. And get my hands to work. I love that. I think that's so sweet. That is cute. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. Just takes me a minute, then I figure it out. So, oh, so sweet. I think, let me see. Oh, you know what? I think it's just going to come off it like I've done in the past. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. Now, just for you. Whoops, wait a minute. Let's do it this way. Yeah, I like that better. I know. You're saying, come on, make your mind up. And I agree. Alright, you probably should put this sticky on before, but, you know. And I think I am going to put a little ribbon on here, and I should have probably waited to put the adhesive on until after I did this, but, you know. I never do it the right order. Do you? Oh, goodness. And I do have people in my life that it cannot be out of order. It has to be in order. So, anyways. But I'm kind of a, fake it till you make it kind of girl. So, alright. I hope I'm in frame. Alrighty. And I'm so sorry for that hideous burn on my hand. It is getting better, but it just looks worse before it gets better sometimes. And it is okay. Everything is okie dokie. Oh, goodness. Isn't that charming? Okay, so now I think I'm going to put this here. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, let me figure that out in just a minute. I'm going to put this across the top, like I said a minute ago. And I will say it again, Creative Memories has a repositionable tape runner, and it is fantastic for things that are like punched out. You do not have all the gooey ooey mess like I get with this one. So, hopefully later tonight when my youngest comes home, she can go grab it for me. It has been very busy. So, we are, goodness, there's just so much going on. She's had 2 tests this week, and I've got a bunch of paperwork I've got to get in. She's helping me with part of it, so, Okay, now, friends, do we go here? Oh yeah, we go right down the middle. That is just too cute. Okay, I love that. Isn't that just charming? Oh, for goodness sakes. How quick and easy peasy was that? Okay, now, let's get on to the envelope. I've got my envelope here. I know I want my bumblebee flower, and I know I want my rose flower. And then I've got my leaves. So, let's see how many leaves I'm going to use. Alrighty. Guys, these are the cutest kits. I say it every single time I make one of these up, and I have enjoyed every bit of it. Okay, I know exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do that. Pull these off. I'm at the point in the day where I'm just sticking to everything. Oh, brother. Can you believe it? Oh, goodness. But isn't that the part of crafting that's fun? Is just making a mess and ooey gooey fun. I know. Yes, I love teaching and writing curriculum for, kindergartners, preschoolers. It is so much fun to be messy. Not gonna lie. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Just makes my day clearly as messy as I get when I just do these simple cards. Okay, I'm going to get that off of there so we don't have that all over. And then, okay. Love that bee. Isn't that cute? And then I'm going to do this little rose. And we are done, my sweet friends. How cute are these? Golly. I love this. That is so... I say this every single time. I don't care if you're 5 or 55. Who isn't going to love to get that card? Okay, friends. I will be back with the other half of this page in just a minute. So these are part 1, part 2 series. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, share it with a friend. I'd be totally great with that. And yeah, and come on back. There's more to go. And I'm excited. All right, friends. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.